Breaking news for anyone planning to move to the United Kingdom. The government has unveiled major new immigration rules, set to take effect starting October 2025. And the implications are significant for skilled workers, students, and families alike. These updates are being framed as a modernization of the immigration system, but experts warn that the changes could create challenges and uncertainty for thousands of applicants across the country. Whether you are considering working, studying, or settling in the UK, it's essential to understand exactly what these new rules mean and how they could impact your plans. One of the most notable updates involves skilled worker visas. The UK government has announced stricter eligibility criteria, including higher salary thresholds, more rigorous qualification requirements, and updated documentation standards. This means that professionals in fields such as healthcare, technology, engineering, and finance may now face increased scrutiny before their visas are approved or renewed. Employers are also being asked to ensure that sponsored employees meet these new standards, creating additional pressure for both companies and workers. For many, these changes could affect long-term career plans and even residency prospects. Student visas are another area affected by the October 2025 updates. International students will now be required to provide more comprehensive proof of academic qualifications, financial stability, and English language proficiency. The goal, according to government statements, is to maintain high standards in education and ensure that students can succeed without placing undue strain on resources. While these rules may help streamline the student visa system, they also add new challenges for prospective students who must gather extensive documentation and meet higher requirements than ever before. Family reunification visas are not exempt from change either. Sponsors will now need to demonstrate stronger financial and residency credentials to bring relatives into the UK. These measures are designed to prioritize resources for those most able to support their families and maintain compliance with the new immigration system. Families planning to apply under the updated rules may need to act quickly to prepare and submit the necessary documentation to avoid delays or potential denials. Processing times are expected to be impacted as well. With the introduction of additional requirements, visa applications may take longer to review and approve. This could create uncertainty for temporary workers, students, and those seeking permanent residency. Experts advise applicants to plan ahead, submit thorough documentation, and stay informed about deadlines to reduce the risk of delays. The reaction from migrant communities has been swift. Social media and professional forums are filled with discussions about the upcoming changes, with many expressing concern about the stricter rules and the uncertainty they bring. Immigration specialists are advising affected individuals to seek professional guidance, double-check all paperwork, and take proactive steps to ensure compliance with the new system. Acting early could make a crucial difference in maintaining legal status and securing approval under the updated rules. Economic analysts have also weighed in, noting that while the government's aim is to protect the labor market and ensure that immigration aligns with national needs, there could be unintended consequences. Skilled workers play a critical role in industries like healthcare, technology, and finance, and tighter regulations could exacerbate labor shortages or slow growth in key sectors. Universities and research institutions may also feel the impact, particularly if international students face new hurdles in gaining entry. Despite the challenges, opportunities remain for highly skilled professionals, investors, and students with strong academic and financial records. Those who meet the updated criteria will still have pathways to work, study, and live in the UK. Staying organized, informed, and proactive is now more important than ever. Applicants are urged to review the new rules carefully, prepare all necessary documentation in advance, and seek expert advice if needed to navigate this evolving landscape successfully. In conclusion, the UK's immigration system is entering a new era starting October 2025. Stricter rules, higher standards, and longer processing times are all part of the changes designed to modernize the system and prioritize highly skilled and qualified applicants. For anyone planning to move to the UK, these updates demand careful preparation, timely action, and a clear understanding of the new requirements. Staying informed and proactive is essential to avoid delays, ensure compliance, and secure your future in the United Kingdom.